everybody, it's Jessica My Rose's collaboration on a shopping haul. And you all know I'm really not the shopper in this house, it's my husband. But I'm gonna show you a few things I bought. And the end of the video, we're gonna go shopping. We are going to go to Casey, Illinois to an old-fashioned candy store. In the comments, tell me what your favorite kind of candy is. My husband's favorite kind of candy is taffy, the old saltwater taffy. Mine is anything chocolate. As long as it isn't white chocolate, I'm happy. But that's what we're doing in this video. This is a collaboration with Jessica My Rose Nature. And first of all, I'm going to show you a few things I bought. Yes, it's that time of year. Costco's has their ribbon on out. And here's three kinds that I got. Actually, it's going to go like this. Oh! They have gnome ribbon, and they have a silver and navy blue, which navy blue is really in style right now. But that's what I got at Costco. They also have 2 fall varieties if you need fall ribbon for decorating. Also, Sam's Club has their Christmas out. So if you need ribbon for your Christmas tree this year, now's the time to look. If you're making garlands or wreaths or anything for the holidays, it's time to pick it up. And like I said, Costco's always has a couple of rolls of fall too, if you need any of that. And I got this thing. Yeah, it's like this, so you can put your phone here, and it has a light, and you can film your crafts, or you can sync it. Or it goes down. And you can film your other videos, but looky here. Oh, the lights aren't coming on. Maybe I need to charge it. It's got 2 lights and a button to take photographs. And for some reason, my lights aren't coming on. I don't know what I'm doing. We all know I don't know what I'm doing. But it has multiple lights. It has a light here and a light here that are LED. And I don't know why that's not coming on. Maybe it needs charged. And you sync it to your Bluetooth on your phone, and you can snap pictures. So if you want to snap pictures of like that thumbnail or different, say you're painting a scarecrow and you do the base painting, you can do the picture, then the picture of the face, then the picture of doing the, say you're doing a design on the scarecrow's hat. You can do multiple pictures for if you want to do a TikTok with multiple, where it's done in multiple sections. You can do it right from here. I'm trying it out. I'm learning it. I'm not sure whether I'm going to really like it, but there is my find, and it will fold down. The fun thing, what I liked is you can get it to fold down. So it goes back in the box. Which I can't, I'm having a time getting it to do that. I have to have my husband help me because I can't get mine to fold. There we go. There we go. To fold, it folds back, and then it'll go back inside the box. And then you could take it with you, and it would travel better. But next is the trip to the candy store, please check out the playlist and the ladies in the collaboration for all their fun things they found in their shopping hauls. And watch their videos. And thanks for joining me. It's Melissa here in Casey, Illinois. We are doing a little shopping trip. We will be going into one of the local businesses and taking a little shopping trip. Look at the little cute, all the little cute candies. There's the world's largest shoes.
This would be my husband's favorite place in town, I think.